G'day guys, welcome back to the channel. Picked up a little bit more of the Temporal forces again today. It's a 3-pack where I'm going to open 2 and save 1 for tomorrow's video. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, a promo card in it. Nothing too crazy. Alrighty. I'm going to go these 2 and save that 1 for tomorrow. Alright. Going to go purple energy on this one. There's lightning. Okay. Fighting. Okay. I got that one the other day. Okay, and we got something. Alright. Not too bad. It's an EX. Alright, which one did I say I was opening? That one or that one? We'll save that one for tomorrow. We'll go this one. I'm feeling fire on this one.
I'm feeling leaf.
Okay. Oh, well done. Okay. Temporal forces. What are we gonna get? That's cool. Oh, we got something. Oh man! What is that?
A Neo upper energy.
Oh my goodness! It's like a pink card or something. Okay, and behind it, oh, okay, hold on. And, alright, that's good too. But that, I've never seen that. Wow. Alright guys, remember, like, subscribe, and we'll see you on tomorrow's video. Bye!